Hey Nanny and Pappy, this is Maci making her Build-A-Bear with the gift card you sent her for her birthday. Maci, what did you pick? Is it a puppy? Yeah.
You want to grab a heart for me right out of that middle bin?
Nope, not that one, baby. Yep.
All right, rub that heart in your hand. Rub it in your hand. All right. Oopsie. Rub it on your shoulder. You want the bear to be strong like you? Rub it.
Here, rub it.
All right, give it a kiss. Okay, put it on your nose and make a big wish. All right, you're going to put your heart right in here for me? Thank you. All right, you want to step on that pedal? For me. All right. How does that feel? You like it? All right. Can I see you? Let me stitch it up for you.
What do you say to Nanny and Pappy?
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, let's find him out. To be a boy or a girl. All right, sweetie, there you go.
Maci, come here. What did you make? A puppy dog. What's his name? What's the puppy dog's name? Maci, what's the puppy dog's name? Puppy. Puppy the puppy dog. That's a good name. Maci.
Good job.
Okay. Let's see. What do you want the puppy to have, Maci? Yeah, because it's her.